Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted notification on your Chrome browser on your phone. So what you do is to come down to your Chrome browser, just click on it. When you get there, you click on this three dots and you click on it like this. You go to settings. From settings, you click on your settings. Click on your settings. So this is settings. Now you look for notification. As you can see here, this is notification. You click on it. Okay, so you can disable the notification or allow notification. So from Chrome you can disable it like this. So all unwanted text messages coming under background from your Chrome, everything, you will not see it anymore. Okay guys, so that is how to disable notification, unwanted notification from Chrome browser. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you for watching. Peace.